So today I'm towing this Nissan Pathfinder, and as you can see from this perspective, I'm kind of on an angle, and I've got the driver's tires up here. So I thought I'd show you a little technique for not having to constantly be steering, because in the snow that we've had and the angle that I need to be at, this vehicle is not coming up straight. So let me get into that and I'll show you what I do. First of all, it's always good to carry some rope of some sort. I carry some 3/8 gauge, but what I also carry is a good sturdy recovery loop, and this one has actually got axle grease all over it from the night before. So that's when I will go to my rope that I have here. And then what we can do is use that in a very dedicated way. Now, I've already gotten this Pathfinder in neutral via the neutral bypass, which is located here. Just press something down in there and it's in neutral. And what I'm going to do is turn this wheel until I get it to where I want it to be. And then what I'll do is put a cow hitch on the driver's tire to hold the wheel in place. After I've got it hitched in place, I pull it tight, and then I'm going to shut the door on it. So as you see, I've got the door shut on it, the wheel is turned, and it should come up the way that I want it to come up. Now all I have to do after that is straighten out the wheel, and I'm good to go. So that's how you can use rope, a recovery loop, any kind of thing to secure the wheel when you're doing a winch out or a recovery or something of that sort, to help you steer without having to steer. Thanks for watching.